how to enable or disable all filter notification on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on notifications. So after click on notification, you will see click on short and filter notification. So after click on filter notification, so you will see all notification is here. So if you want to enable filter all notification, so turn on this button. So after turn on this button, you will see all filter notification is enabled. So if you want to disable all filter notification, so turn off this button. So after turn off this button, you will see all filter notification is disabled. So you will enable or disable all filter notification from here. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can enable or disable all filter notification on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.